black box quietly printed me $113,530. The first time I plugged an idea into the black box. Inside the black box system, I show you these 10 ways to profit with custom GPTs. Sell them directly, list on Gumroad, etc., Warrior Plus, Fiverr for instant cash flow. Flip GPTs to businesses, sell niche GPTs, realtors, dentists, coaches, as done-for-you tools for $500 to $5,000. Use GPTs as lead magnets, give free access to build your email list. Add value to courses/products, done-for-you GPTs boost product value. Affiliate links inside GPTs, embed your affiliate links and get paid ongoing commissions. White label, businesses pay to use your GPT under their own name. Recurring income, I show you how to set GPTs up for monthly income. Affiliate bonuses, offer GPTs as affiliate offer bonuses for more commissions. Trend hijacking, launch GPTs in hot new trending niches and ride the wave. Community and membership plays, add value with GPTs inside a private group, Discord, or Patreon. This is the first product you can create in minutes. But your buyers think it took months/years. In less than 10 minutes, you can create tools for niche audiences, fitness, finance, weight loss, affiliate offers, YouTube, etc., etc. Lead magnets that grow your list like crazy while you sleep. Digital tools personalized to businesses that you sell for $500 to $5,000 each. Affiliate bonuses that make your offers irresistible. Affiliate promoting AI tools that earn you ongoing recurring commissions. The black box won't stay quiet forever. Lock in your spot today, before it's too late. You owe it to yourself and your family. Get the black box system today. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. Note: a ChatGPT Pro subscription may be required to build your own GPTs. Disclaimer: Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. This website and the items it distributes contain business strategies, marketing methods, and other business advice that, regardless of my/our own results and experience, may not produce the same results, or any results, for you. Mocking Gun Method, and its creators, make absolutely no guarantee, expressed or implied, that by following the advice or content available from this website you will make any money or improve current profits, as there are many factors and variables beyond our control which may impact any given business. Primarily, results will depend on the nature of the product or business model, the conditions of the marketplace, the experience of the individual, and situations and elements that are beyond your control. As with any business endeavor, you assume all risk related to investment based on your own discretion. By reading this website or the documents it offers, you assume all risks associated with using the advice given, with a full understanding that you, solely, are responsible for anything that may occur as a result of putting this information into action in any way, and regardless of your interpretation of the advice. You further agree that our company cannot be held responsible in any way for the success or failure of your business as a result of the information provided by our company. It is your responsibility to conduct your own due diligence regarding the safe and successful operation of your business if you intend to apply any of our information in any way to your business operations. In summary, you understand that we make absolutely no guarantees regarding income as a result of applying this information, as well as the fact that you are solely responsible for the results of any action taken on your part as a result of any given information. In addition, for all intents and purposes you agree that our content is to be considered for entertainment purposes only. Always seek the advice of a professional when making financial, tax or business decisions. If this does not work as stated, we will return your payment. Refunds are always honored, so there is no risk. Testimonials and examples used are exceptional results, and don't apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. As with any business endeavor, there is no guarantee that you will earn any money. This product is not affiliated with or endorsed by YouTube. Support. For any questions before or after the sale, email dave@davespino.com. Our privacy policy is simple: we will never share or sell your personal information to any third parties. Your email address and other personal information will only be used to communicate with you about your purchase and to provide updates on the product. We take your privacy seriously and will do everything in our power to protect it. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products.